Let's talk about the fireplace. Oh, sorry. I was laying on this large ledge that's built into our fireplace. Anyway, we love this fireplace. It's huge. I mean, look at this. We also have this solid wood beam mantle, and the entire thing is Chicago common brick. It has some unique features, not that, or that. But the original owners installed a spit. Yes, an actual spit. They roasted entire pigs. But inside, they left us the equipment, thankfully. Here you can see the mechanism to connect to. This piece can rotate it. And then on this side of the wood storage, there's an actual motor. And there's one more feature. You see, more. Adjacent to the fireplace is this wood storage. We think this is now our future wine cellar. We had it inspected this week. It's barely been used, it's pretty clean, and we were given the go to use it.